Horrifying attack. Ukrainian forces again destroy Russian T-90, tank that they call advanced tank. Ukrainian forces have taken out a Russian T-90 tank using a first-person view, FPV drone in a dramatic strike. New footage appears to show, as low-cost uncrewed vehicles continue their battlefield dominance. Drone footage released by Ukraine's defense ministry on Tuesday seems to show an explosive drone targeting, then hitting, a Russian T-90 tank at an undisclosed location along the front lines. The clip, posted to social media, then cuts to what appears to be a second drone filming the attack, with fierce flames erupting from the Russian vehicle. The video then shows a third angle recording the strike from a distance. Ukraine has often released drone footage purportedly showing Kiev's forces striking Russian targets. But media cannot independently verify details of the footage, including when or where it was filmed. The Russian Defense Ministry has been approached for comment via email. Ukraine's Asgard Group was responsible for the strike on the T-90 tank, the Ukrainian Defense Ministry said in a brief caption accompanying the video. Described as an elite drone squad by the Associated Press, the Asgard Group is among the many Ukrainian units making use of a variety of drones to try and gain the upper hand in the 18-month-long war. The conflict has spurred drone innovation at lightning pace, with new designs appearing on an almost daily basis. Ukraine has been busy building what it has dubbed an army of drones, a cache of uncrewed vehicles incorporating first-person view drones, kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicles, and reconnaissance drones. Drones are game-changer of the war, Ukraine's Minister of Digital Transformation, Mikhailo Fedorov, said last week in a post to X, formerly Twitter. We continue to scale up its production. The T-90 is one of Russia's most modern main battle tanks, with the T-90M variant touted as one of the country's most advanced in-service tanks. At the start of 2023, Russia had 1,800 main battle tanks in its inventory, according to the annual military balance, published by the International Institute for Strategic Studies think tank. Of these, around 200 were T-90A tanks, with a further 100 T-90Ms. It's not clear just how many tanks Russia's military has lost during fighting in Ukraine. However, between February 2022 and the start of October 2023, Moscow's forces lost a confirmed 34 T-90As, 1 T-90AK, 7 T-90S tanks, and 46 T-90Ms, according to Dutch open-source intelligence outlet, Oryx. Russia has recently suffered serious military equipment losses in its latest offensive surrounding the Ukrainian village of Avdiivka, and that'll likely hurt Moscow's future offensive capabilities, according to war analysts. The Institute for the Study of War, ISW, a Washington, D.C.-based think tank, said in an assessment on Thursday that satellite imagery confirmed that the Russian military lost at least 109 armored vehicles and tanks near the eastern region of Avdiivka between October 10 and October 20th, amid Moscow's grinding war with Ukraine. Heavy Russian equipment losses around Avdiivka will likely undermine Russian offensive capabilities over the long term, ISW researchers said in the assessment. The village of Avdiivka, just northwest of occupied Donetsk, has seen major battlefield fighting over the past few weeks, as Russia launched a renewed offensive against Ukrainian troops. The Russian command has funneled additional forces to the Avdiivka front to offset heavy manpower losses and maintain the Russian military's ability to sustain its ongoing offensive effort, ISW said. But, the think tank explained, Russia's recent equipment losses around Avdiivka will likely lead to even more pronounced Russian equipment shortages and setbacks for any progress that the Russian military has made in addressing degraded mechanized maneuver warfare capabilities. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said Friday that Russia has lost at least a brigade of troops in Moscow's offensive on Avdiivka. The invaders made several attempts to surround Avdiivka, but each time our soldiers stopped them and threw them back, causing painful losses. In these cases, the enemy lost at least a brigade, Zelensky told British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak in a call, his office said in a statement, according to media.